So how was the party?
Yeah, I know, it was great.
Did you and Eric have fun?
Everybody had fun. There were no accidents, no vomiting, not even a fight.
Yeah. So, did Eric behave himself? I know that sometimes he gets a little jealous.
Yeah, of course he did. He's a great guy. Still, there was that moment this morning with Brad because he left his jacket at the party, so he walked up, and just as he was leaving, Eric was walking up and he kind of shot him a look, and I had to like calm the whole situation down, and but the boys ended up shaking hands and everything seemed fine. Yeah, I think they were cool about the whole thing.
Oh, hey man.
I think Eric handled it really, really well. And I think that they handled friendly. He was friendly.
Hey, what's wrong with you, man?
I think they could be friends. I think that Eric and Brad could really be friends. Like best friends.